Hey, everybody. Welcome to this special update on Bitcoin. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at VerifiedInvesting.com. Now, in the game plan this morning, I did talk about doing an update on Bitcoin, but then I did not. I got distracted and ultimately I forgot. I apologize, but I've got your backs. We're going to go over Bitcoin. We'll look at Ethereum and even Solana in this video. So let's jump into the charts here. And we have a beautiful move on Bitcoin. Now, again, we talked about in the game plan, the bull flag formation, the breakout above this trend line, and therefore the bull flag was telling us upside was coming. What was my big upside target? 92,000 right here. We're currently trading just below 91,000. So again, that is going to be your big level of resistance on Bitcoin. Keep in mind, this was former support here, all the way along here, right? So when we broke and came down, it makes sense that we're going to retrace into the scene of the crime. This here, this 92,000 level is going to be the massive battle between bulls and bears for which direction will ultimately win. All right. So do we break through that or do we pull back? I think we pull back. I've been bullish for the last couple of weeks, but 92,000 was my key max upside target. So I'm guessing we'll pull back based on TA. But again, you never know. Remember, everything we do is a probability. It's all about probabilities. So again, there might be a favoring of probability to a pullback, but again, there's no guarantee one way or the other. All right, back to the charts here. Let's take a look at Ethereum. And Ethereum obviously has struggled way more than Bitcoin, but you do have a breakout. And I highlighted this recently too. Downsloping classic wedge pattern. These downsloping wedges, as they tighten, it ultimately means about 8 out of 10 times you'll break above and then make a move to the upside. Ethereum is making a move to the upside, trading back to about 1,700. Now, listen, if you look at the bigger daily chart, it is way down from the December 2024 highs, but due for a rally. What is your upside target level going to be? There's going to be a ton of resistance right around 1,800. And if we get through 1,800, then you have a shot. And I say shot because we don't know, but maybe getting to about 2,100. So first resistance here, second resistance there. Now, if we start pulling back, this trend line, which was resistance here until the breakout, now becomes support. And these two lines will meet somewhere down here and form a major level of support. Lastly, let's go into Solana real quick. Solana, again, we can see this thing had a beautiful bottom. Take a look at this technical level right in here, right through that level right there, the 100 even number. In fact, if you're in the crypto service, we actually bought there. I have unloaded already, though, as again, our gains were so big. But this continues to push up. But look, coming right into pivot high. This is around 148 to 150. If it can get through there, you should have a shot at around 178. Notice support, breaks, resistance, and therefore if we get up there, you have to anticipate that being resistance. All right, so this is your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana update. Of course, I'm here doing technical analysis, which is probability-based analysis for all of you guys here at Verified Investing. And as always, folks, I truly appreciate you guys supporting me, viewing these videos, as well as supporting Verified Investing and commenting your goodwill on the videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry about not doing it in the game plan today, but here it is right here, right now. Take care.